Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can put your TikTok videos in slow motion. Not just yours, you can put anybody's TikTok video in slow motion if you can download it, alright? So if you can download a TikTok video, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a trick through which you can put any video which you downloaded from TikTok, any video which is on your phone on slow motion, alright? So let me show you without any further ado. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on. First step, you open your TikTok and choose the video which you want to download. So let's say this is the video I want to put in slow motion. First, I need to download it. So I download the video. If you don't know how to download the video, you can click on where it says share icon at the bottom. So on my screen, it's showing Snapchat, but sometimes it shows you an arrow looking icon pointing at the right side. You can click on it and you can see save videos. You can click on it to download it. All right. Now, once you download it, what you want to do is, close TikTok, open your, browser. Once you open your browser, you want to write slow-mo or video. So I'm going to do that. Now, once you search for slow-mo or video, you want to scroll a bit down until you see this over here, which says ezgif.com. If you see a website which says ezgif.com, you click on it. It's going to take you to this website. Now, before you come over here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this, all right? Now let's move forward. Once over here, scroll a bit down where it says choose file, click on it and click photo library and choose a video which you want to slow. So I want to slow this video, so I'm going to choose this. Click on choose at the bottom. So it's going to upload my video. So once you do it, you can click on upload video and this video is going to be uploaded on this website. So wait for some time until the video is fully uploaded. It might take a bit of time. And once the video is uploaded over here at the bottom, you can see multipliers. So you can choose how slow you want. So if I choose 0.05, or I can even choose 0.02. After you choose it, what you can do is click on done, and what you want to do is there's going to be a convert button. You can click and convert, and if you want to keep the original audio, you can tick mark keep original audio. If you don't want, then you can choose change speed for sound, which means when your video is faster, audio is going to also be fast. So if you tick mark the last one, it's going to do that. If you don't want audio, you can just tick mark mute and at the top click on convert, and you want to choose over here where it says MP4. Your video is going to be converted over here at the bottom, and you can see the video in slow motion over here. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can slow-mo a video from TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.